This is the story of an alpine lake, the second deepest canyon in the world, and dragons.
Did you see that?
I teamed with Barbara and Evan, got in the ship to Athens, and drove northwest to the region of Epirus. We stopped to marvel at the Rio Antirio Bridge before getting to Papigo. With a stop at Voidomatis River. We're leaving Mikropapigo to hike to Dracolimni Lake. Mikropapigo is around 950 meters. Dracolimni is at about 2050 meters. The hike to the Tymphi Dragon Lake starts from Mikropapigo. After 6 kilometers and about 1000 meters of climbing, you will reach Astrakas Refuge. From there it's 3 kilometers more. You go down the slope, pass by Lake Tsumani, and after climbing 250 meters more, you arrive at Dracolimni. Καλημέρα.
Από πού είστε?
Αθήνα εγώ, ο Εύαν Αμερική, Βαρβάρο Πολωνία και όλοι μένουμε Κρήτη.
We're out of time. We've been going for a little over an hour. This is an hour 40 to the
Refuge.
refuge.
A minute ago, we saw a woman from New Zealand coming down who had camped last night next to Dracolimni. That must have been something. If we thought about this possibility earlier, we would put the tent in the car and decide even last minute.
I'm trying to think why I didn't even think of that. Like, why didn't we?
I didn't either. Maybe I thought it would be too cold or maybe windy. We're close to Astrakas Refuge. Looks like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe more to get there. We will see what view we have from the other side. So we passed Astrakas Refuge like 20 minutes ago, and this is the last part that we will climb up to Dracolimni. Like an hour walking after Astrakas, we made it to Dracolimni.
Specjalność pasta z tuńczykiem i z cebulą, ale tutaj nad jeziorkiem Dracolimni będzie smakować jak u najlepszego szefa.
Smell something.
Problems with the boiled water here. So we thought it will never cook. It's okay.
After a fascinating hike to Dracolimni, we would check the Beloi viewpoint, with a stop at the Papigo rock pools.
We all fall down, we get banged up, but the scars show what we're made of. Don't you look back, lift your head up, shake the dust off, tell me what you're made of. I can't hear you, I can't hear you. Breath in our lungs, beat in our hearts. Lift up the voice, you got something to say. It's a brand new day. 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 When the rain falls, when the ground shakes, when the wind blows, when your heart breaks, show me sorrow, show me laughter. Show me starlight, show me what you have to. I can't hear you.
We didn't cross Vikos Gorge this time, since we did 2 years ago. The very beautiful hike was from Onodendri to Papigo, about 18 kilometers, through the breathtaking canyon.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. See the sunrise, oh, fire in your eyes, oh.
After Beloi viewpoint, we stopped at Kapesovo for a stroll and ended our day in Yohori waterfall.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
These 3 days in the area of Papigo were truly amazing. Our next stop would be at Meteora and Mount Olympus. But that's another story.
There's a secret through the thunder. There's a storm, but you're not going under. It's a brand new day.